So, here we are. I came here. Hi. I came here to fix my phone. So we're gonna go inside. The phone is already fixed. Now we're gonna go inside here, which is a maze of whatever, selling all kinds of goods, fixing phones. And look at this. There is something that's very interesting about this place. So we're gonna go see. We're gonna go see the guy was Sarkan. Sarkan, let's go. We go up the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. Shake the room. There we go. There's an Ottomans. Yeah, so they basically, it's like, I don't even know how many floors this is. This is many floors. So we keep going up. Go. The guy did a splendid job. It's the Muhammad Ali. Oh my. Strange. Alright. So I'm not sure if it's this floor, maybe the next one. Let's try one more. So I broke my camera on the phone, and I was like, take me to give me the best place. He was like, yeah, you have to go to this city center or something, service something. And I was just like, oh, I was imagining it was just like going to be, it's one shop. No, it's a supermarket of fixing phones. I think it's this way. Let's go this way. What is very interesting about this place, there is a guy running around with a cup of teas and coffees, whatever you need. But how they smoke cigarettes is even better. Tamir. I think that was the place there. Let's have a look. Here's the guy with the, you see, he goes around with teas like this. Just, he wanted some tea, oh, here you go. No problem. That's not the place. Probably one more up, maybe one down. Up or down? Let's go down. Yeah. Aha, Tamir. Look. The guy brought the taxi. No, not taxi. The McDonald's guy. Somebody brought me down this place. It's called Tamir Service. And here's our man, the man of the day, Sarkan and me, Oscar, by the way, my name. So here we go, I stumbled in here, an extremely high quality service, new camera, new bumper case, which you cannot see, and my McDonald's bag, which has, what does he have inside? Oh! It has Izmir. Izmir. Oh, is that my? Is that the memory card? Okay, we have to put inside Sarkan, I think. Don't you think so? We have to put this thing here inside of this device, and then we're good to go. Then we can go have lunch. But guys, what it is really most amazing part to me. It's like, look at this guy smoking a cigarette in a supermarket. You want to smoke a cigarette in a supermarket? No problem. I already did. Look. So we're going to do this exactly now. We're going to spend the next 2-3 minutes smoking a cigarette. Which is, in this case... Well, it's a parliament. We're gonna light it up, we're gonna smoke it, and we're gonna drop this cigarette butt right down there. Yep. Any lighter? Bro, give me a lighter. You have a lighter? Yeah, that guy over there, he has a lighter. So walk down the steps and ask for a lighter. All right, Ottoman. Thank you. Now, this is how you smoke cigarettes in the supermarket, the phone supermarket. We're gonna smoke it, and we're gonna drop it on these stairs again. At first, when I came here, I was just like, what is that guy doing there? I mean, he's standing and smoking cigarettes in a supermarket like this. He's like, yeah, that's okay. He was just like, oh, it's no problem, no problem. Never mind the Netherlands, they wouldn't even allow a dog inside of the thing. No, 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 no. This is Istanbul. It's a very good quality camera this guy put it in. Who knows? Who knows?
Yaptık şimdi benim evet o iptal edilecekmiş çünkü benim altyapımda
If you guys didn't know, this cigarette is called Parliament. It's one of the most coveted cigarettes that you get in Russia. Basically, if you're a young kid, started smoking, you know, at the age 11, 12, as I did, and if you pull out a pack of Parliament, everybody's like, oh, that boy comes from a rich family. It's not the case, really. So look, just like this, in the supermarket, no problem, no problem. And then what we do, like that, in the corner. Boom, baby. All right. Tarkan, it's been a pleasure. Yes, let's now, Tarkan now is gonna put this inside my phone, and I will document many, many days ahead of us.